Puzzle Me by Bertrand. I've realized you are not my puzzle to solve. I don't have the keys to release you from your self-imposed prison, trapped by your own expectations, useless longings for yesterday, for time is transient. I've realized that I've been viewing life through a distorted lens, never noticing the smoke, so subtle, clouding my perceptions. But the wind of change has parted that almost imperceptible veil. I've realized that I've begun to see things clearly, for myself, colored by my own experiences, the wisdom I've earned, such as it is, and in so doing, I've realized I'm beginning to recover those scattered pieces of myself, assembling them into a beautiful mosaic, fragile fractals joined with gold. For I was always my own puzzle to solve.